Welcome to the Happy Coin Club today. Coins in your pocket, what will you play? Chippy is walking happy and bright, sees something shiny in the light. Mint and Penny follow just behind, ready to see what they might find. A little rocket, shiny and new, sparkles and lights and a magic glow too. Chippy says, "Wow, I want that thing! It looks like it can fly and spin, runs right over, quick, quick, quick." Coins start going tick, tick, tick. One for this and one for that. Coins are gone just like that. Penny points at toys. "I want that too, but not enough coins. What will they do?" Mint says, "Pause, let's take a look." Checks the coins like a careful book. Penny says, "Spend it fast, it's fun." But Chippy slows down. Chippy smiles, "I'll think it through." That's what the Happy Coin Club members do. Mint nods, "Good choice today." Penny smiles, "I've learned my way. If I spend too fast, my coins all go. Thinking first helps me grow and know." Welcome to